I'm telling you, something's going on with these triggers. Reverse, forward, and just the slightest side load on it throws it all out of whack. You see right there, I'm pushing until it releases. You gotta go straight back for it to do it smoothly. Just a little bit of a side load. Look, there you go right there. It doesn't have this problem so much on the reverse, even in my left hand. It's just in forward. Side load. Side load. I don't know, man. Here we go here. It's in reverse. Watch that directional button. See it move? A lot of rocking going on in there. And you see in my left hand with side pressure, it's fine. It's just in forward. I hate to disassemble a brand new tool just to fix it, but man, it's annoying. And just for comparison's sake, this is Milwaukee M18 brushless, bought the end of 2017, I believe. Forward, side pressure, just fine. Reverse, forward, a lot of side pressure on the trigger, and it's fine. There's no problem. It's not binding or anything. I miss my 12 volts.